First of all, you need to unplug the power cord from the main power supply, which I've already done. And then you're going to remove the 5 screws to take the door cover off. We got 2 on top, 2 underneath, and 1 on the side. And then you take the cover off just like this, and you will unplug the switches from the door and just set that off to the side. And then once you've taken the cover off, unplug the wire harness to the lights. You will remove these 4 screws that hold the panel on. And don't throw any screws away because you will reuse them. Okay, now the old panel will just pop right off. Okay, set that over. And the new panel with the LED lights, it will come as shown right here. You're on the 2S, the horizontal will go up on the top. So you just place that right back on there. And use the 4 screws we removed. And we'll tighten all 4 of them down. Okay, once you put the panel on, you will remove the bottom screw that holds this bracket on. And then with the new wire harness that is supplied with the LED kit, you will attach this screw to that with the green ground wire. And tighten that down. After you've done that, you will take the connector with the brown and white wire and connect it to the board for the LEDs, just like that. Once you've attached the provided wire harness, you can go ahead and connect your door harness on the machine to that wire. Then once that is complete, you're ready to put your cover back on. Simply connect the other connector to your switch connector, as so, and you're now ready to put the cover back on. And the 5 screws you took off previously, put those back on. And installation is now complete.